Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about troubleshooting areas and what in these particular areas during the discovery phases you need to check if there is any problem. So this is going to be a very short and theoretical video only where we will talk in key points that what are the areas where you can face problems during the discovery phases. So in this chart, as you can see, there are 4 areas where you may face problems during the process of the discovery, and these are connectivity, permissions, probe sensors, process classifiers, configuration. So I've tried to cover mostly all the areas that might give you a trouble. So in the connectivity, so if there is any problem relating to connectivity, it could be like internet access problem, proxy problem, firewall issues. So maybe the internal organization environment firewall is set up in such a way that it is not allowing the mid server to get or gather the information that is required to update or create the CI in the CMDB. Connectivity to the target devices, so you need to check if the connection between the target devices is properly uh, established, proper authentication has been given. Next is permissions. So again, here we talk about whether proper authentication is given. Access privilege, do you have the privilege to use the commands that you're using? So for discovery, you know that you require either the role of an admin or a discovery admin. Do you have those particular privilege to access or do carry on the discovery process? Mid server credentials need to be established. So during the classification phase, as we have talked about, the credentials will be checked, and if there is any problem, then you will have to troubleshoot that area. You will have to check the authentication again, rewrite the user ID password, and see if the connection is well established now. PowerShell, we will learn more about PowerShell later. For the time being, you should know that this is also related to any troubleshooting area of permissions. Probe sensors, process classifiers. So here what kind of problem you can face is information not returned as expected, or information is returned but it is not displaying correctly, or any process classifier problem. So in this case, you will have to debug and see where exactly the problem is, why the information is not being returned as expected. The last one is configuration area. So you have to check your IP ranges, mid servers are properly validated, status is up, the connectivity is properly established between the target devices. Sometimes there could be a problem with the behaviors, credentials, which we will learn about in the upcoming videos. Cluster and capabilities, CI classification, identifiers. So these are the troubleshooting areas. I have tried to cover all the points that you will have to take into consideration if there is any failure during the discovery. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this will help you in troubleshooting the areas where you are facing any problems when you are running the discovery process. Thank you so much. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and we will see you in the next video.